All right, A-team, let's go ahead and walk the property here. We finished up here. So again, we got all the way from the top up there. Eaves under the eaves and overhangs. You got the front, the side right there. Look at it gleaming. All right, we'll take a walk around this way and then we'll come and finish back in the patio. Look at the windows gleaming right there. Look, streak free. Under those eaves and overhangs. Looking really nice, really, really nice. Look, no more spider webs or anything, no more dirt. It's clean, it's pristine. This is really nice. It's a good feeling. Then, of course, remember we had around here to get the most we can do, the best that we can do right here. We'll probably come back with a cloth and hit that right there. But yeah, you never want to put, we never put pressure on anything when we're doing soft washing anyway. But we'll come back with and just hit that lamp right there. I take a look right here on the side here. And we had to be very meticulous as we do because they already had some of the paint and stuff like peeling off and stuff. So take a look here. Look at the windows, nice and clean, gleaming. You get close up to them. See, same thing. Go around here, same thing. It's really nice. Look at that one right there, clean. All right, the back side of it, again, back here is where we use our eco-friendly clean. A lot of plants around here, so we don't put no SH around this here. And we still wet everything down, and then after that we used our eco-friendly solution to clean all this up right here. It did a wonderful job too, eating up all the microorganisms and leaving a nice gleam on the windows. And if you look in the frames and stuff as well, nice and clean, right? It smells fresh too. It looks really nice. And then right up there, you can kind of see. And up there, it looks, not sure. It looks like there's a wasp nest up there. It wouldn't come down. I kept hitting it over and over. Just wouldn't come down. Here again, you take a look at the windows here. Everything's nice, get nice and close up there. Oh, it's almost clean enough you can eat off of it. Windows gleaming and stuff, right? And this is, they're doing the house soft wash, make it look really nice. Then we got this area right here. Again, you look under the overhangs and stuff, no more, I mean, it was already clean, but no more cobwebs and a little bit of dirt where we had and debris. So yeah, this house is all fresh. Look at that. All right, let's go up to the front here. I'll turn around and get you another look right here. See the water just beads up, so it doesn't even like leave streaks or stains on the window. And then see how it just beads up. Now we're coming back around to the porch area. This probably was maybe the most dirtiest, if anything, right? And spiders trying to come back out. We had messed their house up and stuff where they were at. All cleaned up right there. Look at so the water beads up, it doesn't leave streaks on there. Cleaned the whole porch area. Now we can take this off for protection, right? So we don't want to get any of that stuff all wet. And then, yeah, that's it here. We'll come back here. Like I said, wipe around there. So anyhow, for the Supreme Clean, visit us online at allterrain.com. We'll love to help you if you're in the Sacramento region. Thank you. Have a good day. Catch you in the next video.